Hello everybody, this is Piggy, and I got the boat out today. This thing is a screamer. I cannot believe it. I'm having a hard time out here because I'm the only one here trying to drive this boat. I'll tell you what, it's incredible. Look at that. Oh, I got a stick caught. It's high tide here at the river. It's bringing in all the ocean water, and so it looks like I got something caught. Wow. Here it comes. Let's take a look, see what we got caught here. That looks like a little grass or something, huh? But watch this, look at that. 2 seconds, I'm over across the whole river here. I'm kind of watching it because there's sticks right now for some reason. I love this boat. Woo! I mean, it's so fast it'll flip itself around. Oop. We don't want to hit anything over there. Definitely don't want to hit nothing over there. This thing is absolutely a blast. Look at that, it's got all that stuff stuck on it, and it still does that. Look at that. Wow. No kidding. This is an absolute beast of a boat. Try to see if I can bounce that stuff off. I don't know if I did or not. Maybe I did. Well, I'll tell you what, if you're looking for a ripping boat, one that can really do it, this is it. You can see the sticks coming. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull her out. This is Biggie checking out, but I'm telling you, this boat can do it. It really can do it. Thank you, everybody.